people, so I'm back with another showing, you guys. Part of my ride with me and do some showings. Now let's look at this property before I actually get all the way here. So they have the booties. They want you to put on booties, so keep that in mind. And we have the corona, so a lot of people have hand sanitizer. Some people may even tell you to put on a mask, as you may have seen already. But yeah, this is when you first come in. They have a nice closet here too. You can put some stuff here for like your guests or anything you can put there. And then this is the living room. And it's really, really cold in here, which means that the central air really works, you guys. I love elephants. Look at that elephant. Look at that light. This is a sign, y'all. This is definitely the house they need to get. It's a sign. Look at the elephant. Oh, I want to pet it, y'all. Oh, I just really like that, you guys. But I really love seeing this too. You can store so many beautiful things in there. These windows I really, really love too. But this light fixture, let me back up, you guys. I got too into the elephant before they get here. I got too into that elephant. And I'm like, let me touch it. I want to touch it. So smaller bedrooms here, we can already see starting off. Let me show you what the bedroom looked like. I was in it. I'm in the bedroom, y'all. I'm in. This is more like a baby bedroom or like a nice office, and they have a nice size closet right here too. But when you smell it, it smells brand new. You can tell that they redid this house. You can tell it was like a rehab. Now this is the main reason for getting it too. Like look at the kitchen. So I believe that appliances is actually included in this property. So you have your dishwasher, you got the stove, and you have the fridge. So I believe that they're all included. So it's really nice. And then they have a full bath. I can definitely say full bath because there's a shower. And look, you put your soap right here. It's really nice. Put your soap right there. Hang your robe right there. So yeah, that's the full bath. And then I'm guessing that's the downstairs. Let's go to the downstairs first. Oh, look at this yard, y'all. So your driveway is so long. Let's look at the basement, and then we'll go upstairs. We gotta hurry up because I'm pretty sure they're gonna be here in a minute. But just in case, so I can see if anything's wrong with it, make sure nobody's here. Sometimes too, like you seen earlier, the door was unlocked. You don't know what's behind those doors. So this is the sump pump here, so they got it all the way put up. Again, it's like the other house where they painted the ceiling. They may be the same people that did this house as the other house too we seen. I don't know if you guys have been looking at all these different properties, but if you're thinking about buying a house, it's definitely best that you look at all these different properties so you can see different things. Like, oh my gosh, I want that when I get a house. You'll see like the different things that they have. Again, here's another dehumidifier. Take all the moisture out the air. This is the hot water. This is the cold water for your washer and dryer. And you can see that's the outlets for them there. So this is really nice, you guys. I show electrical box here. I lost connection, y'all. But I really like that they painted this. This is really nice. I think I'm gonna start doing that for like my future properties too. Instead of drywalling it, like put paint up there because I really like that. But let's go upstairs and see what's happening upstairs. Let's go see. So they have carpet going up. Even some up here, you can sit the kids up. Y'all sit down. All right here. Had the kids all lined up. Maybe that's just me. So I guess this would probably be the master. Let's see if there's something bigger than this up here, though. A nice size closet. Let's look at the closet. Yes. A nice size closet. This is a half bath, you guys. Upstairs. Oh, look at this. This is a nice little seating area. You guys can sit right here. Nice little sitting area. Look at that. I really like that, especially if you breastfeed or want to cuddle with your babies. So this probably is a full bath. Let's see. Yeah, it's a full bath with a tub. I really like it. So this got 2.5 bathrooms in, huh? Yeah, it's 2.5 bathrooms. Oh wow, that's nice. This is probably the master, knowing that you got the bathroom here. This is probably just the master here. And then the closet. So, oh, excuse me, you guys. So here's the master. There's the bathroom right there. Then that's the hallway with that little sitting area over there. See, this is the closet. I think they're really gonna like this one, you guys. I think they're really gonna like this one. Let me hurry up and go my butt downstairs. I like that they got those baskets over there too. Let me run my butt downstairs. And then too, like, look, you'll be able to see all in the area down there. So yeah, they got 2.5 bathrooms here. So they got a full bathroom right here. Then this is the half bathroom. Don't forget they had the other full bathroom downstairs with a shower. So that's really nice. So, what's that? 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms. You can see that they took their time and actually did this property. So yeah, this is the full bathroom again, you guys. So you have 2.5 bathrooms in the kitchen. You can tell this is brand new to you guys. And you can tell if they cheaped out on and what they got too, depending on what they have in here. Sometimes you may see, like this right here is solid. You can't peel it or anything. Sometimes you'll be able to peel it if it's like some, or you'll see like nicks in it sometimes. I forgot what you call that type of, I forgot what you call it. But you'll be able to know. And you can see too, this is where they have 2 different slabs and they joined it here on this line. And then it's like rough all in here. But yeah, these are granite countertops. So they got granite and quartz countertop. Those like the top ones you'll want to get. Some people got like concrete countertops. But they're really beautiful if you really see if they do it the correct way. It's really nice. And then they have a fridge here. I'm pretty sure that these appliances are actually included. Like they bought these appliances for this home. So yeah, this is a nice home. May your walls no joy, may each room hold laughter, and may every window open great possibility. That's beautiful, you guys. Dishwasher. I'm going to be getting another dishwasher for my house and redoing my kitchen pretty soon, you guys. So hopefully you guys see that video when we gut out that kitchen. You're like, whoa, Rickita. Yeah, you got to get rid of that kitchen. But this is my last showing for today. I might have other ones for today. It's still kind of early if you ask me, but I guess I'll let you guys know. Now let's look at this light again. I really like this light in this elephant. So beautiful. But yeah, let me take my little booties off. Don't forget to, some properties that have you put your little booties on. So I'll talk to you guys later.